Okay, how you doing? This is Armando, and I am now reviewing what I learned now that my mock-up is done and it was tested from my wife. So some of the positives that I saw with my test is that the game seems like is going to be very similar in other games that are casual. It's going to be recognizable. You know, the store is kind of in the right spot, to access the store, return. Playing the game is going to be easy to understand what to do. At the end, you know, you have the breakdown of what you've earned and the option to retry, the multiplier, go to the store. These are all things that seem to be easily recognizable. The spin reel, very easy to understand. My wife had no problem running through this and understanding what was going on. So I'm expecting a good, receptive response from the audience as they play. Now, some of the things that I did notice when my wife was playing is while the game was, being played and it was mid-game, while the character's in the air, I noticed that she stumbled on, not knowing what to do. Does she need to continue screaming? Does she not? What to do to move the game forward? So probably need to put an indicator to let her know, when to scream, if to scream, not to scream. So this is going to be a challenge to rectify. Also, I noticed that this top MPH, probably is something that is confusing and doesn't probably need to be there. It's just at this point, it's just a marker or something to track, but maybe it's confusing. Also, on the store, I was thinking of adding like the character level, what level the character is at, to just kind of give it an RPG feel, just for progress and replayability. Each character have their own level, and to show what the current level is at. And one other thing, the store, I'd like to find a way to automatically integrate the store. Other games, once they have finished the round, then it would go to the store automatically to show you what's available, how much you need to earn so that you can get the next character, get the next upgrade. But I'm also thinking of maybe on this store, I can put an icon to show that you've earned enough to where you can upgrade or get a new character. So that's something that I probably need to add. And lastly, I feel like I need to add some kind of incentive, or some kind of something to direct people to actually hit the recorder. Give them a reason to hit it. Maybe I need to do a tutorial or do an example video of someone actually uploading their own playthrough with the camera input being recorded. Maybe just show the possibility of the content that could be created. So these are all things that I kind of took away from this mock-up and things that I may need to integrate as I start making my game. Alright, thank you.